Have you ever wondered why some individuals are attracted to the same sex, others to the opposite sex, and still others to both? Is it a matter of choice or an innate characteristic? Let's delve into the captivating world of sexual orientation and its psychology. Every day, science unravels new information about the human mind and behavior, and sexual orientation is no exception. Understanding the psychology behind it can help us empathize more with others and appreciate the diversity of human experiences. Sexual orientation, according to psychologists, is a deep-seated part of a person's identity, not a choice or a preference that can be easily changed. It is believed to emerge in adolescence or even earlier and remains relatively consistent throughout a person's life. Research suggests that a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental influences contribute to the development of an individual's sexual orientation. However, no single factor can predict whether a person will be gay, straight, or bisexual. A significant body of research also points to the existence of a sexual continuum, rather than a strict binary of straight and gay. The famous Kinsey scale, developed in the mid-20th century, is a prime example of this. It measures sexual orientation on a continuum from 0, representing exclusively heterosexual, to 6, representing exclusively homosexual, with bisexuality falling somewhere in the middle. In the realm of psychology, it's vital to remember that sexual orientation is distinct from other aspects of sex and gender, including biological sex, the physical characteristics that classify an individual as male or female, gender identity, the psychological sense of being male or female, and social gender role, the cultural norms that define feminine and masculine behavior. So, what does all this mean for how we understand and relate to each other? It means recognizing that sexual orientation, like many other aspects of human identity, is complex and multifaceted. It's about understanding that there's no right or wrong when it comes to who a person is attracted to. Our exploration into the psychology of sexual orientation has shown that it is a deeply ingrained aspect of human identity, influenced by a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors. It's not a choice or a preference, but rather a core part of who a person is. We've also learned that sexual orientation exists on a continuum rather than a strict binary, and is distinct from other aspects of sex and gender. In understanding these realities, we can foster a greater sense of empathy and acceptance for all, regardless of who they love. And isn't that a world we'd all like to live in? Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the psychology of sexual orientation. Until next time, stay curious, stay open, and keep learning.